Hello! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a Christmas wreath. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and some coloring supplies. Now let's get right on into drawing. For this drawing, we're going to start with the bow. So near the bottom of our page, I'm going to draw an oval. Now coming out of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up and a diagonal line down. And connect those with a curved line outward. I'm going to do the same on the other side. A diagonal line up, a diagonal line down, connected with a curve. To finish off our bow, I'm going to draw from the bottom of our oval a diagonal line down on both sides, and do that again. Now connect the bottoms with 2 lines inward. And that's how you draw the bow of our wreath. Now this is going to be the bottom of our wreath. Now, coming right at the edge of our bow, we're going to start drawing little zigzag lines. They can be big or small. And do those in a big circle. And now I'm going to just finish that off by going around the bottom. Just like that. And so that's the outline for our wreath. Now each wreath has a hole in the middle. So to do this, we're going to draw another bumpy line, except closer to the middle. It's only going to go halfway around because the bow is in front. And to finish off our drawing, I'm going to draw little circles all over, and these will be ornaments decorating our wreath. You can add whatever decorations you want. If you want to draw candy canes or more little bows, you can draw more ornaments in different shapes. You can draw triangles, rectangles, whatever you feel like. This is where I'm going to stop. Now next, I'm going to be coloring. You can color in your wreath however you want, but I'm going to be using only 2 colors, red and green. So I'm going to be using red to color in the bow, plus all of the little ornaments. And then the green, just to color in the wreath. Now, I'm going to color this quickly, but you can pause the video and color at your own pace. If you want to leave your drawing just like this, I'm sure it will look amazing, and you can send me your picture at jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com. Or you can continue with me, and we are going to be shading in this to take our drawing to the next level. So similarly to the colors I used to color this in, I'm going to be using red and green, except darker versions of these colors. So with our dark red, or whatever color you used for your bow, I'm going to go around our oval on both sides to show that this is in front of the rest of the bow. Now I'm also going to do the same on the bottom of the oval to show it's in front of our stripes. And that is all I'm going to do with my red. Super simple. Now using the dark green, I'm simply just going to go around the bow. Once again, just tracing over it. Very simple. This just shows that the bow is on top of the wreath and that they're not flat against each other. You can also add a little shading around the ornaments. Just give them a little dimension too. And that is all I'm going to be doing for shading. It's really simple, and shading doesn't have to be hard. Now that is all I'm going to be doing for this video, but make sure you tune in later for more amazing, fun-filled drawing tutorials. And I will see you next time. Bye!